My name is Neeraj. I am from Muzaffarpur, Bihar. My father's name is Mr. Manoj Kumar Pandey and he is a farmer. My mother's name is Srimati Rinki Devi and she is a housemaker. I have passed 10+2 examination from CBSE in 2017. I pursued my graduation from LS College, Muzaffarpur, Bihar. My hobby is playing cricket and teaching those children who are not able to pay any tuition fee. My aim is to become an airman and serve our nation. Thank you. Now come to the GD topic. The GD topic is based on drought. Drought is a natural disaster. Drought affected many states like Kerala, Andhra Pradesh and other states. Drought affected by our population, our industry and other sectors. Drought affected by our Indian GDP and also our Indian culture and Indian society. So a drought has many types. Firstly, meteorological type. Second, hydrological type, and third, agriculture type. Meteorological type affected many populations. In meteorological type, almost 50%, almost 15% rainfall is created. So drought is very disaster in our natural phenomenon. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Ritik Kumar. I am from Vaisali, district of Bihar. It's famous for Gautam Buddha temple. My God. Good morning to all of you. My name is Ritik Kumar. I am from Vaisali, district of Bihar. It is famous for Gautam Buddha temple. I am completed class 12 from Bihar board and I am pursuing undergraduate from Bihar Patliputra University, Patna. As far as my family background is concerned, there are 5 members in my family. I am eldest one. My father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. My hobbies are playing cricket and to read a book. I am a positive thinker, hard worker, problem solver, and so I want to join IEF because my parents' dream and I want to serve the nation. That's all about me. Thank you. Now come to the topic. Today's topic is drought. Drought is a very dangerous for our country because it draws mainly deficiency of water for agriculture and efficiency of drought is very harmful for our agriculture. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. I am Adarsh Kumar. I come from Jahanabad district in Bihar. My highest qualification is 10+2. At present I am pursuing graduation. BSc Physics honor from N College, Patna. Late Satyam Singh is my father. He was a farmer. Mrs. Savita Devi is my mother. She is a housewife. My hobby is playing cricket and listening music. I want to join Indian Air Force because my parents always inspired me from childhood. Now come to topic. Today our topic is drought. Drought are the serious problem in all over the world for well-being of peoples and for livestock and for in agriculture. The main reason of droughts are overuse in agriculture, over exploitation, and over use in industry. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Abhishek Kumar. I completed 12th in 2013 and now I am pursuing graduation from JP University in Chhapra. I come from Gopalganj in Bihar. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. My hobbies are playing cricket, listening music and gardening. My strength is I am an amiable and self-motivated person. I want to join Indian Air Force because I should be serve this nation and it is my childhood dream. Now come to the topic. Today my topic is drought. Drought is a very serious problem in our India. In April, government declared some states like Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Kerala. Droughts there are many types of droughts like agricultural droughts. Agricultural droughts are very dangerous in our farmers. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Siddharth Kumar. I am from Samastipur district of Bihar, which is famous for Dr. Rajendra Prasad Central Agriculture University, Pusha. My highest qualification is 10+2 and now I am pursuing graduation from LNIU. My hobby is playing football and badminton. I am an athlete person. I have got 2 medals on the district level in javelin throw. I want to join Indian Air Force because my parents always inspired me since childhood and my incentive person is Avni Chaturvedi that encouraged me to join Indian Air Force. Come to topic, our topic is drought. Drought is a condition in which scarcity of water happens. It affects our country by all means, whether it is agriculture sector or economic sector, and there are so many reasons behind drought. Thanks.
My name is Alok Kumar Giri. I have come from Shivan Bihar, which is the hometown of Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Currently, I am pursuing BA second year from BR University. I have completed my schooling, that means 12th from Rajendra College, Chhapra. My hobby is playing cricket. I believe in Buddha. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is given us the chance to protect our motherland and people of India and ensure that they live their life happily and safely. Today our topic drought. Drought is a natural phenomena. This is badly affected to our farmer who totally dependent on nature. This is a serious problem to our country. Thank you.
Jai Hind, good morning to all of you. This is the golden opportunity to me introduce myself in front of you. I am Papu Kumar. I am from Bhojpur district in Bihar. I have completed intermediate in BSc board in 2018. Now I am pursuing BSc second year math nurse from Jain College in Nara district from Bihar. There are 4 members in my family. My strength and hard working and positive thinking. My hobbies are listening and music and playing cricket. I want to join the Indian Air Force. It's my dream and serve our nation. This is all about me. Now I am come to the topic. Drought is the danger effect of our country, and many states of drought, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Madhya Pradesh, and many regions for drought are many people and not save water, and that's all. Thanks.
Good morning to all my dear friends. My name is Ankul Kumar and I am from Samastipur district of Bihar, which is famous for Dr. Rajendra Prasad Central Agricultural University, Pusa. There are 5 members in my family. My father's name is Ranjit Rai. He is a farmer. As far as my qualification is concerned, my highest qualification is 10+2 and currently I am pursuing graduation from Lalit Nayar Mithila University. My hobbies are listening music and reading newspaper. I want to join Indian Air Force because I always inspire the discipline and style of Indian Air Force. Now let's come to the topic. To a topic our droughts. Droughts is a natural phenomena. It's badly affect our country, not our country but also the whole world. It is the main cause of a scarcity of rainfall. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. My name is Premraj. I am from Patna, Bihar. My father's name is Sri Mithilesh Kumar. He is a teacher. My mother's name is Srimati Manju Devi. She is a homemaker. My hobby is to playing cricket and listening music. I have done my intermediate in 2019 and I am pursuing my graduation. My ambition is to join the Indian Air Force because I want to touch the sky with glory. Today's topic is drought. Drought means the scarcity of rainfall. It is a natural disaster. There are many types of drought: meteorological drought, hydrological drought, and agricultural drought. Thanks.
Good morning to all my dear friends. My name is Aditya Singh. I am from Chhapra, Bihar, which is famous for Asia's largest cattle fair and India's first sugar mill. I have done my +2 from PP Inter College, Chhapra, Saran. My father's name is Rakesh Kumar Singh. He is a banker by profession. Coming to, I want to join Indian Air Force because coming from a defense personal background, I always inspired to their uniform and their adventurous lifestyle. That's why I want to be an airman. Coming to our topic, that is a drought. It is a natural phenomenon that caused by nature, and some of people's involvement are also in it, like deforestation, over irrigation, over exploitation of water resources, improper irrigation in their fields, especially in Kharif seasons, that badly results in the agriculture sector and GDP of the country. And I will provide my points in discussion. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I am Rahul Kumar from Nanda district, which is famous for the studying centers in the ancient time, and at present is also famous for the glass bridge. My father name is Shravan Kumar. He is a small businessman. I have completed 10+2 and currently I am pursuing BSc in physics language. In physics, I want to join the Indian Air Force because it's been my dream and it's also the easiest way to serve the nation directly. My hobby is writing poetry and watching movies. And now let's come to the topic. Our topic is drought. Drought is a natural phenomena. It is mainly caused by the excessive use of water in irrigation field for kharif crops. Excessive use of water in the industrial area. That's all from my side.
Good morning everyone. My name is Prince Kumar. I am from Patna in Bihar. I have completed my intermediate in 2018 and now I am pursuing my graduation from Magadha University. There are 8 members in my family. My father is a shopkeeper and my mother is a homemaker. My hobbies are playing cricket and watching movie. The role model of my life is my father because he is very hardworking and supportive. The ambition of my life is to join the Indian Air Force because it gives a golden opportunity to serve the country and also respect in the society. This is all about me. Now I would like to come on the topic. Our topic is drought. Drought is a natural phenomenon which occur in those areas which receive minimal rainfall. It is increasing due to increase in population. Because demand of water is increasing, it also affects on agriculture. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Hariram Kumar. I completed 12 in 2018. I am pursuing graduation from JP University in Chhapra. I come from Gopalganj in Bihar. I come from Gopalganj in Bihar. There are 5 members in my family. My father is in Central Reserve Police Force and my mother is in a homemaker. We are 4 siblings. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading books. My strength is I am an amiable and strength person. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is my childhood dream. Now about topic drought. Drought is very natural phenomena in our country. In April, drought is declared in 8 states: Kerala, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, etc. Thanks for all.
Jai Hind, my dear all friends. I am Ankit Kumar. My father's name is Mr. Chandkishore Prasad Gupta. He is a shopkeeper. I am from Kushinagar, Uttar Pradesh. Kushinagar is known for Lord Buddha. I completed 10+2 in 2019 and now I am pursuing BA from BRA Bihar University. I believe in hard work and my hobbies are reading books and do adventure works. I want to join Indian Air Force because it's give adventure work and I serve our nation, give my best to our nation. It's also my parents' dream. Now talk about our topic drought. Drought is a natural disaster in India. It's affected the agriculture. It's also affected our farmer. In April this year, government are declared 8 states: Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Kerala, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh is face drought situation. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Suchitra Kumar. I am from Bagha, West Champaran, Bihar. I have passed 10+2 from PMBS College, Ramnagar, West Champaran, Bihar. Now I am pursuing BSc Part 1 from Patliputra University. I believe in hard work. My hobby is playing game and reading books. I want to join the Indian Air Force because it is my childhood dream and also the Indian Air Force give me all kind of amenities and motivated me to move forward. Today in my opinion this passage is about drought. Drought is that type of condition which created by man and also in some area by nature. It is that type of condition where we see the scarcity of rainfall, and there is also cause of drought. Excessive use of water in industries and rising population is also a major cause of drought. That's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good mornings. I am Pawan Kumar and coming from Vaishali, Bihar, which is the first democratic in the world. Now I am pursuing BSc from Patna Science College, which is under Patna University. My father is a farmer and my mother is a government teacher. I like outdoor sports, especially cricket, and was a member of school cricket team. My strengths are I am a good learner, innovative, and I have a positive attitude and committed to my work. My aim is to join Indian Air Force to serve our country, and also it is role. Now I come to the topics. Our topic is based on drought. Drought is a natural phenomena and also it is created by human beings. Mainly drought situations, people suffering from shortage of waters. Mainly our government, drought has classified into three parts. So first is meteorological, second is hydrological, and others agriculture droughts. Thanks to all.
Good morning to all of my friends. I am Upendra Kumar. I am from West Champaran, Bihar, which is famous for Tiger Reserve, Valmiki Nagar. I passed my 10+2 examination with 406 marks from MJ College, Bettiya. Now I am pursuing BA Part 1 for Political Science. My hobbies are playing cricket, listening music, and help others. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is a dream of my childhood. I am very inspired to my cousins and see the discipline of Air Force. It attracts to me to join Indian Air Force. Friends, let's come on topic. Our topic is drought. Drought is a natural disaster which creates starvation and lack of hydration known as droughts. It creates starvation and increase unemployment and other many situation, and it's also cause of poverty. And we can avoid this bad effect by taking some step. I will provide my opinion in that. Thanks all.
Good morning everyone. My name is Nikhil Kumar Singh. I am from Patna. I did my 12th in 2018 from Jharkhand board and now I am pursuing my graduation from Patliputra University, Patna. My hobbies are playing outdoor games like cricket, football, and my strengths are physically fit and mentally sound. I want to join Air Force because it's my dream and it is also a respectable job for any citizen of the country. And the last but not least, I also want to touch the sky with glory. Now come the topic. Our topic is droughts. Droughts is really a serious topic and important also. So nowadays people around the world is focusing on more droughts change. It is mainly because of human activities such as deforestation, excessive use of water, and climate change is also reasons. And the people is around the whole world is becoming more vulnerable for this change, and that needs to be resolved soon. Thank you.
Jai Hind to all of you. I am Indrajit Kumar. I come from Chhapra, Bihar, which is famous in Asia for the largest animal fair. I completed 12th in 2018 and now I am pursuing graduation part 2 from Patliputra University. My hobby is playing cricket and I want to join Indian Air Force because I give my best to our nation and it's my childhood dream and parents' dream. Now I am discussed about the topic drought. Drought means scarcity of water. It is a natural phenomenon. Mainly three types of drought. First, meteorological droughts. Second, hydrological droughts, and third, agricultural droughts. Now, our country badly effect of drought because it's depend on agriculture, and as well as it's badly affect our economic and GDP. That's all. Thank you.